Overflowing drains and cars submerged in water was the scene here at Upper Thomson Road of Jalan Todak earlier in November. And even with more showers predicted, businesses and residents here seem confident that these floods may well be kept at bay.
倾盆大雨一下就淹水，因为那边的路比较斜，三辆车都是淹水，淹到整辆车里面水满满。我们在这里附近呢，如果有下大雨，我们就移走我们的车辆咯。
淹到这边只是说车子拉进来了就好了，不过它不会淹到里面来，没有关系啦。只是最厉害的一次淹到这边的地下就好了。
那你们有没有做好什么准备呢？
这边现在不是在修沟渠咯，修沟渠应该不用了吧？这次修的沟渠很大、很好、很宽，就不用淹水了。
有做什么预防措施吗？因为接下来几天还是会下雨，这样怎么办？
什么啦？我们没有做什么防护措施，只是这样而已啦。
不会担心吗？淹水这样影响到？
会啦，这样是一点点啦，不会很厉害啦，因为我们是熟客比较多嘛。
Over the next few days, heavy rain is expected over many areas across Singapore. But despite the wet weather, residents and shop owners here at Upper Thomson Road said they are not worried. 2 weeks ago, this area was heavily flooded due to the rain. But as you can see behind me, construction works are ongoing to elevate the ground and improve the drainage system to prevent similar situations from happening.
National Water Agency PUB says with the northeast monsoon lasting till January 2010, flash floods may hit some low-lying areas when tides are extremely high. PUB is monitoring some 60 flood-prone areas island-wide to ensure that the drainage system is not blocked. Flood-prone areas include Chinatown, the Central Business District, Geylang, Lorong Buangkok and Tanjong Katong. Watch our other clips to find out what residents at Lorong Buangkok are doing to prepare for the rainy season.